Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you a very useful tutorial to everyone. So when I'm downloading something on Chrome, a video on Chrome, it is getting really slow. So my Chrome browser download speed is too slow, and how we can fix if you are facing the same issue. So on my Chrome, on my mobile browser, if I go to downloads, I have downloaded a song, an app, or a movie through this Chrome browser, and I switched from Wi-Fi and mobile data both. I tested both, but the download speed is really slow. So how you can increase that? You can actually try to increase that. So first of all, open Chrome. On the search, just type something as Chrome, then colon slash flags. These are the testing new features of Chrome which are not yet released, but these are in the testing phase. So you need to click on this enter. So these are all the Chrome flags which are in the testing mode. So we can search for something like download here. Okay, press enter. Okay, I just made a spelling mistake. Okay, here download. See here the first option, parallel downloading. By default, this will be set into default. You can just make it by force enabled and relaunch the Chrome app once. Now open the Google Chrome and now try to download that particular file or movie or song or whatever it may be, what you're trying to download. Just try to download that once again, and now you'll observe there is vast increase in the download speed. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.